The doorbell rings and it's your control kit. And this is what is going to be inside your package. Here we have the fuse control wand. We have the double-sided whisper light. We have the sealer and 2 lash cartridges. A big part of the system is the wand. It's extremely easy to use, but it's as if you've never used something like this. So you have to sort of get used to it. You have to get used to holding it, and you have to get used to, okay, so you come in and you just fuse like that. You grab onto your lashes. Now, the best part about this, well, there's a lot of good things about this. First of all, it has a clamp force that allows you to fuse all at the same time. Secondly, I'm left-handed, for example. You don't have to learn to use it with your right hand because I can't do anything with my right hand. All you have to do is go from this eye and then go over the bridge of your nose onto this next eye and fuse as well. So fuse, and then you can do the next eye. This also is the curvature of your cheekbone. Okay, so you know which way to use it. So now, here's the thing about the fuse control wand. That's how you fuse the whole lid. But you can go like this and fuse the ends. You can use the tip right here. You can come in this way. There's no limits. There's no rights and wrong. This is a somewhat precise tool, and so it can easily get out of whack. It does. You can tweak it yourself and make sure that it's nice and it's fusing where you want it to. So that's also an option. If you ever have a problem with your wand, just text our concierge or send an email and we'll take care of it, because it's very important that you have this wand at all times. And that's also one of the aspects of Lashify X. There's no limits, there's no rights and wrongs necessarily. This whole system, I created it so that women could have the freedom to do their own lashes and basically, like we say, control it. If they're loose, you can replace them. If you want to sleep with them, you can reusable. We don't sell them as reusable, but of course you can reuse them. You can reuse anything. They might not be as fresh and fluffy, but you can want to wear them. So I usually wear a pair for about 4 days, but if I sleep on my face, I wear it for like 2 seconds. So it's very important to wear your lashes overnight and keep them on, that you sleep on your back and you don't allow your dog, like my dog, to smush your face, because then they'll end up on him. The fuse control wand, the gossamer, and the lash cartridge are all designed to work together. These are very, very delicate. They're handmade, and when they're inside of the cartridge, it protects them from humidity and also from losing their curl. So what you're going to do is you're going to come in and you're going to grab as many of these as you want with your fuse control wand. So I suggest that when you first start using Lashify, you only do them one by one instead of doing them all at the same time or attempting to put 4 gossamers on at once. You sort of want to get used to how you hold it, use this. So when you come in to use the tweezing action, so you're actually wanting some pressure to pull something out, you want to use right here. This is where you want to fuse from. And then when you're coming in to fuse your eye, it's okay if you go up here, but it's important that you use the pressure right here to grab all of them. So right now I have lashes on, and I'm going to show you in a second how you put them on. So many people have asked, how do you remove Lashify? Oil is your enemy. You want to remove your gossamers? If you want to remove your gossamers, it's all about oils. Steam and oil will loosen up adhesion no matter what. So those are the things that you want to avoid if you want to keep them on as long as possible. However, if you want to remove them, it's very simple. We have a product called Melt Away that will be available on the site soon. You're going to soak your pad with a silicone-based eye makeup remover, so the kind that are dual phase that you shake. And it's used for waterproof eye makeup, etc. So you're going to soak your pad, and you're going to come in, and you're going to grab your lashes. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Voila! It's not hard. Nothing about this system is hard. Honestly, I really created this system to make it ridiculously easy.